Hey everyone, this is Sticks. Just want to go over my trades that I did today. Really just one trade. Again, on the SPY, strike was 274.5. It was actually one of the calls. Um, as you can see, it opened kind of weird. This is the 5 minute. Let me change to the 1 minute. There we go. Um, this is the 5 minute. Okay, so it opened a little bit weird. It just kind of was a little bit flat, sort of. Started picking up. Dipped back down. Here's where I saw my entry. I got my buy signal. It dipped a little bit, not below my buy signal, and then it's jumped back up. I had my sell order already at 3 cents above my buy order, my initial purchase price. So at 95 cents, I sold at 98. I had it already automatically there. At this point, I actually was away from the computer. I went to go use the bathroom. I came back, and of course, it was sold. And then I was going to take more trades. However, I see this humongous candle. It's basically from 105 to 57. I mean, this is huge. And after seeing that, I really started to think, well, maybe it's not a good day to trade today. Um, I just watch the market. I see big candles followed by the opposite direction, big candles again. And then it just kind of consolidates some more and it goes back up slowly. And then I see this throughout the day. See big candles, and I'm like, man, this thing is just like big candle followed by another one. It's just not I didn't like it at all. Big candle, big candle, big candle. I mean, this is yeah. Look at this. So I decided to, after I made my first initial trade, I decided to just not trade anymore, to just take a step back and just watch it for the rest of the day. I didn't like this, really scared me, in other words. Um, yeah, so this little is 20 contracts at 95 cents. Sell order was 3 cents above my purchase price, so 98 cents. It hit that and it sold. And again, I wasn't even here when it did that. I was in the bathroom. The profits for that is $60. That's all that really was. Little 3 center, $60. I really should have put it higher, but that's okay. I just wanted to be sure that it hit it since I wasn't going to be around watching it. And the 104 again. This is for a swing trade. I'll go over this one later on. Ignore the 104 for now. So the one that we were paying attention to is just the $60, and that's just from the SPY. Um, and that's it. Follow me on social media, on Twitter, Instagram, on Twitch. Thank you so much. See y'all tomorrow.